even on the issue of urgency, you know, both the IEC and MKP in particular, Umkhonto we Sizwe, they're saying, but you're disingenuous because you knew about the existence of this party in September, but it's only when your former president, Jacob Zuma, who's also going to be in court here today, until he threw his weight behind MKP, did you then jump?
That is absolutely not correct. We are here because we want to exhaust all the legal avenues available to any South African and to any South African entity. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this court challenge. There's nothing wrong with this appeal. There's nothing wrong with the ANC coming to the Electoral Court. The Electoral Court exists exactly for that reason. And so, yes, we are proceeding today. We're exhausting our rights, restorative justice, precisely because Umkhonto we Sizwe is in our DNA. Umkhonto we Sizwe runs through our veins. Umkhonto we Sizwe is in our blood. Many people fell on the battlefield in the name of Umkhonto we Sizwe. We owe it to them, and we owe it to justice to exhaust matters, including in the Electoral Court. Of course, as we proceed also to KZN and on matters of patenting.
Yes. And there's going to be a constitutional argument, which I find quite interesting, about if this electoral court rules in favor of the ANC. There's a debate about, well, what happens then to the rights of the voters and supporters, especially those who would have given their signatures in support of Umkhonto we Sizwe. What's the ANC's response to this?
Well, the ANC has got a responsibility and a historical mission to protect and defend its heritage. What happens to those voters, I suppose that is something that you need to direct to the MK party. But from where the ANC stands at this moment in time, in history, we've got an obligation to defend the legacy of the ANC. Umkhonto we Sizwe is the legacy of the ANC, is a heritage product, heritage asset of the ANC. We would like all our people, including those that have signed up with Umkhonto we Sizwe party, to be able to exercise their democratic right to vote. How that happens, surely it can't be on the basis of just one party.